Yes, yeah, welcome to this presentation on VTUKing. That's a video top up king in Nigeria. So I want to ask you a question. Do you know that you can actually make a lot of money from being a recharge card seller, doing a data reselling, that you buy data from VTUKing, then you sell to your friend and relative. You see that Nigeria, the NCC has a lot of opportunities in this industry, and you can benefit a lot from it. So I want to assure you that you are going to gain a lot from this presentation. So you just watch, you look at my screen here, you will see buy airtime, you see recharge pin, buy data, bulk SMS, electricity. You can do a lot of things with this VTUKing. Let's see where you're going to make a big money in this business. So I will click here. You can see my account recharge bill. Then I click my account. So you see reseller account. So this is already a reseller account. It's a reseller account, so you can make a lot of money from this business. So you see, go back, you click on make money, click on make money. You see how to make money on VTUKing. Let's talk, for instance, Jennifer, a member of VTUKing, buys data from us at 455 naira per gigabyte. You see the big business, you are selling it at, you are just buying 1 gig for 450 naira. You tell your friend that I will sell the gig, I will give you 1 gig for 600 naira. So see the margin, see the lot of money you'll be making from this business. And it doesn't end there. Anytime you buy the charge card from them, they pay you big. You now say resell, give the charge card back to your friend. So you are going to be making a lot of money from this business. So now look at, remember that this is for data selling alone. Imagine if Jennifer was also retailing other products like Waec PIN. Now for the most thing that you are buying recharge card, for example, the Waec PIN, you buy it from Vtuking for 700, and then you sell this recharge card pin for 1,000 naira. You see, you are making 300 naira again. Let's say you sell it to 50 persons. See the money you'll be making every month. And this Waec is something that they are doing every year in Nigeria, in Africa. So you see, you make a lot of money from this business. So let's go now. You see, by so doing, she makes 95 or 145 naira per transaction. That is for reselling data. 10 transactions per day, that will make her 1,400 naira per day respectively. Now 95 naira times 30 days equal 28 times. So you are making 28 naira every single month. Just simple, hypothetical. Now remember that is for data reselling. Imagine if Jennifer was able retailing other products like Waec, she may be making 150,000 naira a month in profit. That is 5,000 naira in profit every single day. How do you get started? Now you click the link below the video. You can just see my account here. Commission of 23,000 naira that's already in my account. You see, it's just an overview. So you see, you click on Waec PIN. Let's check the Waec PIN. What is there? Wow. You see, payment options, 700 naira. You click your payment option. Whether you want to pay from your wallet, that is a VTU wallet that has already been funded, or you want to pay with your ATM card. So that is just that. If you click on recharge pin, you see recharge pin, you can generate pin, or you send to the person directly by entering the mobile number here. So you're making a lot of money from this system. So that is just that, an overview of the cloud, this VTUking. Just click on buy data. You see what's under the buy data option. You know, share datable bundle. You can also make money from the selling data. You can see here, you can make a lot of money reselling data. You see, put the receiver number, put the mobile network. Is it Airtel? Is it MTN? Is it 9Mobile? You put it. Then payment options. Do you want to pay with your wallet? They say that one is recommended. Do you want to pay with your ATM? Any option you want to pay with, you click go and you select it. You see bulk SMS. That is where the money comes. This is where another money comes in. You can be, selling bulk SMS, sending bulk SMS on behalf of companies. You can be sending bulk SMS on behalf of organizations. You can be even sending bulk SMS for your churches. You can be sending bulk SMS for mosques. The chief imam can just meet you and say, I want to send bulk SMS. You partner with him, you send bulk SMS. A member of your church can say, I want to send bulk or something, you partner with him and send bulk, and you're making a lot of money. So just look at this option. Payment option from sender, that's you that sending. You can just input anything to make the recipient phone number. You type the message here, the message type, SMS gateway. You see the SMS gateway, regular, do not resend after. So you choose your gateway, then you click on send. That is just that. So you're making a lot of money from this system. So the television, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on other presentations we'll be doing. Thank you.